Hey guys, hey Sea Dogs, it's Mr. O'Neill. It's August 20th, and I wanted to take a quick second to kind of run through some of the steps of our IB Learner Profile activity today. So, what exactly are IB Learner Profiles? What we look here is we kind of see like a circle, and it has different puzzle pieces that show us the different learner profiles. So, kind of take a second and read them to yourself. And I kind of want us to ask ourselves this question: why is it a puzzle piece? And I think it kind of relates to the fact that we all, as people, as students, as good human beings, we kind of have to embody or employ different characteristics to really be the best person we can. So when we look at all the different profiles, you'll see these throughout the building, you'll see them throughout the school. Every teacher has them in their room, and we will talk about them throughout the year. So it's kind of important to figure out what they are. Now, do you have to memorize them and, no, but I want you to know what they are. You should be able to talk about them. So the past 2 days, we did a lot of work using Google Documents and using Canvas. So today, we're going to put what we learned on Tuesday and Wednesday together. I'm going to give you a Google Doc. You're going to make a copy of it. You're going to answer some questions, and then you're going to submit it to me through Canvas. And everything we do today has to do with the IB learner profiles. And what you're going to do is you're going to pause this video, or if you're not watching it, you're going to actually stop. We're going to discuss it as a class, but take a minute to look at each one of these and see what each attribute is. And as an IB learner, we strive to, and you need to look at each one of these. I mean, I'm not joking. Like, you really do need to read each one. We'll use them all year, so take the time to do it. I'm going to move to the next slide because there's some actual in motion. What does it look like to be caring? What does it look like to be knowledgeable? This is going to be different for every person, so keep this in your mind. Stop here and actually think about it. I'm going to move to the next slide and look. Here's little Eliza. Just like you might look a little different, but now's the time where you kind of got to get prepared and get ready to do the actual assignment. So if you need to pause and take a break, pause and take a break, but make sure to come back to this, and we're going to kind of talk about what you're going to do. You're going to follow all instructions, ask questions, and do your best. If you do what I ask you here, this assignment should not be difficult, but I'm always going to be here to answer questions. Now we're going to kind of look at we're going to go to my Canvas here. We're going to go to social studies. I'm going to put it in student view. If you noticed, on my Canvas today, I changed some things. We have a different picture because, you're going to be sending me some information today. Scroll down. If you notice, I took some things away. So today's work is under the assignments tab. So let's go up to assignments. All right, that's yesterday. It's technically not overdue. I did not give it a date, but just click on this assignment and you're going to find there's some couple links. This right here isn't active yet, but this is going to be what I'm doing now. This is the slideshow we just looked at, and this is what you're actually going to turn into me. Okay, so let me show this to you here. You're going to obviously first make a copy, go to File. I actually linked a video to how to make a copy if you need them. You'll make your own copy, and then you'll go down and you'll answer these questions. Make sure to follow the directions, give it a title, and which IB learner profile trait best describes you. Give me 2 to 3 complete sentences, and I will read every word of this. And I'm going to fix the mistake I made. Please know that I will read this. When we go down, there's another question, but you're not actually writing anything. You're going to do a web search, and you're going to find a picture, copy and paste it in here. When you're done with this, you're going to go back to Canvas. You're going to click Submit Assignment the same way we did yesterday. I actually have a video for you to submit as well. And you can do the website URL by copying and pasting your copy into here. Or you can do the more complicated way by searching your Google Drive, making sure that it's synced. I do mine thumbnail because I like pictures. It's the most recent thing. You double click, you attach it. This is the thing where I'll be here to walk you through. You click submit, and then you are done. I'm going to exit out of this so I can keep my example fresh. But this is where I'm going to stop recording and kind of let you go. Some of you might have needed to watch this video, some of you might not have, but it's going to be here for you if you need it. Good luck today. I will be in the Zoom the entire time you need it. You can also email me. And that's it for today.